Hello and welcome back to my channel! Today I'm going to be recreating my Frida Kahlo inspired look from episode 2 of season 12 of RuPaul's Drag Race. Yeah, she's a look queen. Enjoy this video and make sure you leave a like and a comment. Oh, we are back! Hey guys! We're gonna do my look from episode 2 where I'm just in it at the very end. I remember having so much fun with this look because I had a lot of time to get ready and I just got my Alyssa palette, so there's just like purple sunset-y moment with the Frida Kahlo unibrow. I look cool standing there just like this. Okay, so obviously we've missed some things. My camera died and I've moved on. I did my whole face in creams, even the black eyeliner to set my guide, and I just went in with the eyebrows. Cool. Okay, so I basically powdered my face, so now I'm gonna go in with all the contours. First I have this bronzer in Cappuccino, Anastasia Beverly Hills. And here I just bring the color back towards the center of my face and up over here. Take it all along your jawline and your chin. And then I like to pinch my brush like this and just take whatever is left and pull it down my nose. Now I'm gonna go in with just a translucent neutral set to highlight and bake while I do my eyes. That's gonna be nice. I'm gonna do my best to walk through what products I use, but I'm gonna just start going in, and if it's a dark blue, it's a dark blue. And that's just do what you have, okay? Take this yellow color and we're just gonna pack that like here. I got carried away. Unicorn tried. And we're just gonna deepen our crease. Ooh, believe. And don't look panicked because we're gonna add more colors. It's gonna come together. It always comes together. And if not, we put glitter on top. Texas made. And to blend these together, I'm just gonna take some of the yellow and work it in, and then it'll become kind of like a nice little orange. So I'm just gonna keep packing on this Believe dark purple a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the same pink to deepen this inner crease here. Yeah. I remember getting ready and just spending a lot of time just having fun putting colors together. Just do a little of that. Ooh, the favorite part of my makeup, the liner. I'm just gonna go around all the black stuff I have. Okay, I think I lost control, but this is where we're at. Let's smoke out the liner and see if this helps. Yellow, pink, purple, 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 believe. Okay, I'm gonna throw this orange eyeshadow I have. I did a yellow lid on the show, so I'm gonna take this yellow cream. And while I'm here, I'm just gonna set the yellow cream with this yellow eyeshadow I've been using. Oh, I was videotaping that whole thing. Awesome. Ugh. So because it's a Frida moment, I didn't want to do my normal clown blush. So we're just gonna go in kind of like this. I just love to always still put pink, so let's add pink on top just for fun. Even just a little pink on the chin, I think. I just love pink. Moving on to lips. I'm gonna draw my lips on with a purple cream. Now we're just gonna set our lips with some translucent powder. Yes, brush it off. I found a dark purple Anastasia Hills lipstick, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corners. For the center, I'm gonna use the white eyeshadow, just because I want it to pop, and I'll add some shimmer on top of this. And while I'm here, I'm just gonna go under my eyebrow again. With a purple eyeshadow, I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit. I threw a little pink in there just for fun. And now we're gonna do highlight over the whole face. Just like here. Okay, I like to finish with the brow. I'm going in with a flat brush that I pretty much use for all my creams. Fill in these brows we've already got. I'm missing the white dot on my nose. Set it with neutral set. I'm gonna put lashes on off camera. And we'll be back with the finished look. Oh my gosh, this is the finished look. Here's some glamour shots of me moving around in my body. I look gorgeous. How is she though? These earrings are everything. They have elephants on them. If you would like to follow along on this crazy adventure with me, you can follow me at Crystal Method on Instagram. And if you've got a special occasion coming up, the girl's on Cameo. She will wish you happy birthday anniversary, baby, for money.